Welcome back. DJ Vic Vapor with you once again, continuing on Bitwig Studio Sampler course, and we're looking at groups and grouping keys and key zones and things like that. So we explored the 3 different samples. Let's go ahead and add one more sample. Currently, we've got these guys going on. So let's go ahead and find one more to add. I'll bring this guy in here, more of a bass sound. We'll go ahead and make it the same as everybody else. Now you can hear that bass down there. Probably need to adjust this. All right, so we've got a bunch of different sounds here, but let's say we want the bass to play separate from the rest of what we've got organized. So I can highlight this first one, or this third one, and go up and hold down Shift and highlight the next one. Now I've got 3 highlighted. I can right-click and select Group, and now I've got what's called a new group and a group here. So I can name this, and we'll just name it Group 1. Enter, and I can add a color if I want, whatever I want to do. So all zones, ungrouped is just the baseline, and then everything else is grouped. So first thing you think of is what would be the advantage of grouping those? Well, the biggest advantage is now when I select this group, Group 1, I can begin to edit and do things with them as a whole, as one unit. So one of the things that's kind of cool is you see we can fade in and fade out as a group. See how all 3 are fading in that group? They're all 3 fading in together, and they're all 3 fading out together. So I can edit things, as if you've gotten, a bunch of different layers going on here in their group, you can edit them quickly and easily together. You've got a logic here where you can play round robin. So every time I press a key, a different sound is going to play. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Go back to always play. And you can hear that the bass, if I go here, the bass is always being triggered because it's not part of that group. So it's always being triggered by whatever key in that key zone that it's listed to. It's always going to be triggered and be played as part because it's not part of the group. So what else can we do down here? We can play things in reverse. Go back and try that under a round robin. Can loop. So again, really, really cool way of taking advantage of the group feature and multi-editing, I guess, in a way that makes things quick and easy for you. So let's go ahead and move on and take a look at select zones and velocity zones.